Alrighty, so as you can clearly see, I have no one with me. It's a sad day for me. Mr. Penguin's not on. Nick is not on. My dad's not on. No one's on. It's a sad day for me. But there's no need to fear. Battle Royale Stimulus Solos. So basically what it's supposed to do is, well, you better have 4,500 on you. Because if you don't have that, well, you can't cash yourself. And Gulag is off. So, I'm going to have to keep a stack on me. Real talk. We on that gang. You're white, stop. So one thing I would like to say, first things first, I'd like to thank everyone for who has subscribed to me and watched my vids. I know to some, it's not a big deal. I'm about to come up on 50. I appreciate those who have subscribed to me. I appreciate those who have viewed me. I'm aware that wait a minute. We all know what this is about to do right here. But I do appreciate those who have liked my videos and watched them. I know they're not the greatest audio-wise or just like cutting out. You know what I'm talking about, the green or the static deal. Everything that makes the video work out. But, I'm hoping to give y'all good content. I appreciate those who have watched my videos and stuff. And have joined the Nightmare 64 army. I appreciate it. I never thought in 2 weeks I would have 50 right off the bat. At least I thought I was going to get was maybe 10. But I do appreciate y'all. Trust me guys, it means a lot to me. But I was like, I ain't got no one on. I gotta put a video out today. I gotta do something. What's better than to not engage my inner lone wolf? That's what we're doing right now. Now, I did come up with a class. Now, I know. I came up with something. But, I came up with a class that is bound to work. Now, I've been working with it for a minute. And I've downgraded it in the past. But I think I've came up with a good class and leveled it up enough to make it something. It's the Odin. That guy probably hates his life right now. I am so sorry. You just came up to the wrong flight of stairs. That's all I'm saying, buddy. I'm very sorry. I'll take your cash. Thank you. I'm going to leave this room. We're not going to talk about that. While y'all guys are watching, please like the video, subscribe, and comment. You tell me what you liked about the video, what you would like to see. I have been thinking about doing a series in my Warzone vid. It's going to be the same playlist of Warzone Fun, but where I make videos of me doing nothing but one weapon. And what I mean by that is, like, if you're down in the comment section, y'all say, do a win with, and keep in mind, when I say using only this weapon, have to at least get, like, 4 or 5 kills. And it's possible. I'm being sniped at. Hold up. Hold your thoughts for a second. Okay. When I say using this only weapon challenge is like, okay, use the Renettis for one game. Like, use only Renettis, get a dub. Okay. Well, all I gotta do is name the weapon. I've got to do the win. So I've got to get at least 4 or 5 kills with it. On top of that, when y'all say the Renettis, only. Well, I've got to get a win with at least 4 or 5 kills with the Renettis. And we both know running pistols only. I can't swap weapons or anything. I've got to run the Renettis only. So that's the challenge. If y'all would like to see that, comment down below and I will definitely do it. No matter how many times. I'll even add the rage parts. I almost wanted to just, finish myself with the Renettis. Yeah, we'll go with that. Yeah. But, like I said, guys, comment down below. Tell me what you like. And it will be done. It will be done. Anything for y'all's enjoyment, entertainment, I've got to do the work. Y'all get the enjoyment. It's a win-win for both of us. Ooh. Nice. Now, better question is, do I want to start this out? We're in downtown right now. We probably need to. Hello. How are you doing? Doing good? That's good. Okay. Alright, loadout drop. That answered my question. Okay, I mean, we could pick up the rest of them there. Gas mask we definitely need. Self-revive clearly we need. And that.
Gas is closing.
Right on the nose. Look at there. Nice math skills, Taylor. Let's go. I probably need to pop my UAV.
Requesting recon.
UAV entering the AO. Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Enemy soldier incoming. Gas is inbound.
Oh, this guy's about to have a bad day. Sorry, bud. Make a quick work. Call it.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm bouncing out of that situation right there. That's a bad situation. I know you saw me. I know you saw me. I saw you. Don't act like I'm blind. I saw you. Oh! This is not smart. Do not try this at home, kids. Odin. Do not try this at home, kids. It's not very smart what I'm doing right now. Ooh. I don't know what he's about to do. Let's get out of this situation. This situation's not good. Alright. Ooh. Hello. How are you doing? Thank you. I appreciate it. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Please drive to me. Please drive to me. Oh, you monster. Maybe? Should I? I can. Can I? Do I, though? So is Gil. Oh, how I suck. Oh, how I suck so bad.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I know he put on his UAV. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this, Taylor? Taylor, just run. Just run. You suck at this right now. Just go away. Just run and forget about what you just did there. Come to me, please. I'm begging you. Please come to me. Yes, sir! Yes! Thank you for refilling the C4s. Appreciate it, by the way. So, I know that guy's about to drive to me. Ooh, please do it. Please do it. That will be two of them. That will be two of them. Do it! You monster! Aw. Good. Yes, yes, yes. Come to me, please. Right here. Hey. Right here. Come to me. No? Okay. Yes, sir! Look at me go! Let's go! I will take that every time. Let's go! Talking about
Hostile dropping
baiting.
into the area. Watch
Oh
the
my
skies.
gosh. Oh my gosh, I love this game so much. Ah! I love it.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh my gosh, that guy fell for it. That's what made that so good. He fell for it. Now,
50 is still active. Continue the mission. Enemy UAV overhead.
I think I should buy a self-revive before UAV. I've got my reasons for it, because if I got a second chance to bounce back. Please come up that hill. Please come up that hill. I know you want to come up that hill. Come up the hill. Come up the hill. Just come on. Come on. Go ahead and come up the hill. Calm yourself.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
I am not in this fight. Nope, no, 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 no. Ah, dang it, man. That sucks. Hey, only 46th. That's crazy. Only 46th. Well, that's good for the clips. Coming to game number 2 with our heads held high. With our heads held high. So, let's see if we can get a dub this game. Hey guys, so I gotta be, I can be aggressive, but I can't be too aggressive, if that makes sense. I gotta play a little bit less aggressive than what I was last time, because I was drawing a lot of attention to myself on one of them vehicles, which I mean, like a crackhead, he needs his crack, and well, I enjoy blowing up vehicles. I have to blow up vehicles. So,
Alright lads, let's get it done.
this does not help my case. This does not help my case at all. I need to not make myself known. You know, I need to stay under the radar, and game gives me an RPG just to, you know, make that a tough situation. I said that so weird. Situation. Yes. There's a friend up above over there on that mountain. Should we go join them? Maybe. Don't know. What do you mean, UAV? Who the heck has already got a UAV? You see what I mean? The game does not want to help my addiction. And it's not good. Ooh. Good weapon. Ooh. 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 Oh, this is bad for them. Oh, this is bad for people's health. This is bad for people's health. Dun-dun. 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 You're screwed. Come on out. You know you're Kobe! Come on out with your hands up. The police are here. Come out with your hands up. There is no need to hide. We know you are here. We will be here all day. The circle does not move for a long time. He was so done. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, dude. I'm sorry. You were not gonna make it out of there. I think you knew that. I knew that, and I was just gonna sit there the whole time. So, yeah. I can't believe I didn't kill him the first time, though. Gosh, I'm terrible. I told you it was not good for his health. Why did you not pick up this? I mean, I don't know if you have something against you know, LMGs or this type of LMG, but like, you chose to carry that over that. You deserve to die. You deserve that. You deserved it, and you know that. Shouldn't be. I know they're in there. If they're not, I'm surprised. See what I mean? Do you not see what I mean? They want me to have an addiction. They want me to. I don't like the pillow because it does that lock on. I know you can free fire it, but you just don't. It doesn't reload as fast, and on top of that, it doesn't hit as hard as the RPG does. So that's why I don't. Example number 1. In this case, I would use a. I will follow him. I will follow you. It was right there. I don't... Please come back. He won't come back. Dang it. I was hoping... Ooh, but that does attract me though. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that means that guy will come. Ooh. Ah, no! 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 Dang it! You don't even know it. But you, sir, are screwed for the start to the finish. Where are you at? Oh, he took my RPGs. Oh, you're gonna die for that. Where are you at? Where are you at? You're gonna die for that. You took my RPG missiles. I should reload, but I don't know. Where are you at? You took my RPG missiles. You're gonna die for it. I don't know where you are, but you will be found. Ooh, C4. I see it. Oh, I know he's coming on me. I know he's about to rush around. I knew he was.
They hit us hard that time, but we'll settle the score.
This is going to be a win. This is the one. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. We're getting this the third time. Third time's the charm. We're getting it. I don't care if it's the last thing I do. That's not a good song. Alrighty, so here's the plan. Get this. We're gonna land where? No. Yeah, way over there. So we tried in the middle. We tried the outside. Now we transition to the outside of the map. We're doing this. I don't care if I have to float the whole freaking way there. We're getting there. And by golly, we'll get there some way and how to get this win. Alrighty. I'm done playing around. I'm done being Mr. Nice Guy. Why did I just pick up a lever action? We're gonna lose. Here's the plan. We're gonna be a little girl and hide. That's where we're gonna play. We're gonna play hide and seek. We're gonna be the 9-year-old hiding in a box. I'm gonna play the waiting game. Not here, though. Not here, though. Clearly. It's outside the zone. But we're going to be the little girl hiding in a little box or a bush or anything at this point. And we're going to play the waiting game. Constantly. Don't judge me on how I play. You know I'm aggressive. Well, I'm trying to get a win. I'm trying to get a win. To prove that I can win in solos. I don't need Mr. Penguin and his cats. I don't need Nick. I don't need my dad. I don't need Cairo the Simp. I don't need autism. I can do this on my own. We all know that's a lie. I'm just trying to make a point of a statement that's going to be ending up a lie here in about 20 minutes from now. Alright. So. Woo! This is about as good as seeing the mystery box. That gives you crap. Ooh, a UAV. The yin and the yang. The mystery box sometimes gives you good stuff. Other times it gives you crappy stuff. So we got a shop over here. We got 20k. We should... Oh no, someone landed here. That's a bad sign.
Friendly recon's online.
UAV entering the AO.
I haven't got anything in the store yet. Let's see here. What do I want on my wish list right now? Clearly the self-revive.
Be advised. RTB for resupply.
Hide, run. Run. Hide. Hide. We're not scared of you, we're just tactically... This guy's freaking out right now. This guy's losing his mind right now. You don't know where I'm at. I don't want any problems. You stay on your side, I stay on my side, and we'll go our separate ways, okay? Good. You don't bother me, I don't bother you. We'll win. You just stay over there. Alright, good. No. Don't hurt me. As I say that. Oh wait, I got a sniper. What am I doing? Do I want to though? Oh, what a dub. What a good fight, dude. Godly, what a great fight. The little sport tried. Oh. I don't like this situation all of a sudden. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to like it. Oh no. Oh no. No. Okay. I got scared. I thought I was about to be stuck for life. Okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're chilling. We just gotta be smart with every step we do. Just gotta keep eyes out, eyes peeled. Oh my gosh, you kidding me? Oh, I should have sniped you when I had the chance. Oh, I got a chance. What am I talking about?
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Yes, you may have the upper hand, but you are hurt. And you suck at aiming too. Oh, and I suck. Oh, and I suck. Wow! I suck. I suck so bad with a capital S-U-C-K. You see? You see, I'm not good. I'm not good. I just get really lucky at times. That's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna go up here.
This way.
Ah, no, 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 fight! Oh my gosh! I broke the game. I have broke the game. I think I broke the game. Oh, I think I broke the game. I'm not sure if this is what's supposed to happen. And it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, take advantage of. What is going on? Why do we both suck at shooting?
The enemy dropped that one, but we'll be back to finish the job.
Oh my gosh, I suck. Well, guys, Operation Lone Wolf is a fail.
Disorder, women, boys,